tell you how using Instagram Reels as a part of your content calendar can actually save you some time and energy and give you a few extra eyeballs on your posts. This is especially helpful if you're looking to grow your social media platform as an educator or subject matter expert. So what are Instagram Reels? If you're not familiar with TikTok at all, Instagram Reels allows you to create a 15-second video clip. That's pretty much the simplified version of it. Now, the cool thing is you can add various different effects to it to make it come alive. So think of it as how you can tweak your IG stories. You can think of them as a bunch of separated IG stories that you can connect into one larger story. A lot of the same features are there, and there are a few extra ones. So for instance, if you wanted to add in some slow-mo video, that's a possibility. You can really get as creative and as intricate as you'd like with this, although it still has to be a short 15-second clip, or you can keep it simple, like I did with this one right here. Silly? Maybe. Effective? Yes. I was able to get 100+ eyeballs on my content using Reels. It's kind of a no-brainer. So I'm going to show you an easy way to repurpose your older content into Instagram Reels. And if you're wondering what is content, what is Instagram, then you may want to backtrack a little bit and check out my video on how to be your own social media manager. That'll give you the overview you need to fully appreciate this video. On to the outline. To create your outline, you're going to want to first grab an older piece of content that you want to repurpose. Now, this can be an old YouTube video, an Instagram post, a blog post, piece of a lecture, whatever. Just grab the main points from it and then figure out how many seconds you want to dedicate to those points. And I'm talking seconds, because remember, this whole thing in total is only 15 seconds long. And remember to leave some time in the beginning for the hook, because that is what's going to grab your viewers' attention. Decide on the tone of the video. Do you want it to be serious? Do you want it to be playful? You want to figure out how you can convey this information as a short story. Storytelling has always been such an effective form of teaching. It helps to make the content stick because it's entertaining. And it'll help to reveal to your audience what your personal brand is. And if you're wondering, what, I need a personal brand as an educator or subject matter expert? Yeah, check out my last video on how to build your personal brand as a subject matter expert or educator. This will help you to grow your audience authentically. And let me know in the comments below what you think helps you stand out as a subject matter expert. Once you've decided on your outline, it's time to create. So you can record the videos directly into the app like you would for an IG story, or you can record the videos separately and then upload them into the app. Once it's in, you can add music, stickers, text, pretty much like a regular IG story, except for one key difference. In Reels, there's a timeline bar. This will help you control when your text appears and disappears. Then your final product will look something like this. Then you're done. Once finished, you can upload it to both the Reels Explorer page as well as your own feed at the exact same time. Don't forget to add a brief comment as well as a few hashtags just so people know what the heck they're looking at. And you can also add this to your Instagram story. From what I could see, there wasn't a way to add it to all three places at the exact same time. So to add it to your IG story, you can either do it one of two ways. You can either go to your reel from your feed and then share it to your IG story, or once you've completed your reel, you can choose to share the video to your phone and then upload it to your IG story later. It would be nice if later on they could actually make it so that you can upload to the three places all at once, but I don't know if there's any particular reason as to why you can't do that, or if I just haven't found it. Then to review your actual reach from your reel, you can go back to your profile page, select the Reels icon, and you can see on your Reels image how many people have actually viewed your reel. And once you click on it, you can see how many people have liked it as well. I do wish that they would add this to the Insights feature for the business accounts. It would be really, really super helpful from an analytics standpoint if I could see how well the reels are doing based on where my audience is viewing it. And this could very well be that Instagram is actually planning to add this into the analytics section and they just haven't had a chance because Reels is just so new. But as of right now, August 2020, it's not there yet, and I want it to be there. And Analytics are huge, especially if you're new and just starting out and still looking to grow your social media platforms. Be sure to follow me on Instagram in a tribe called Liz. There, I put up regular content that can help you to build your social media platforms, especially Instagram, especially YouTube. Don't forget to grab your free guide in the description box below on how to accelerate your income online. And don't forget to check out these videos here. See you next week. Bye.